How to log in FNB account on desktop. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log into FNB, also known as First National Bank account, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar, search for www.fnb.co.za. You will be led to the official webpage of FNB. On the top of the page, you will see the option for username and password. So go ahead and enter your login credentials and tap on the login button, and you will be signed into FNB account. Just in case if you have forgotten your username or password, you can also tap on the forgot username or password option there and follow the prompts shown in the screen and recover your username or password. Also, if you have not registered to FNB, then you can also tap on the register option and register yourself further to FNB. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.